In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to learn any skill or topic step by step. If you've ever wanted to learn something new but didn't know where to start, this method can make the process feel much more organized and less overwhelming. The goal is to turn ChatGPT into a study partner that helps you build understanding gradually instead of trying to learn everything at once. To begin, open ChatGPT and clearly tell it the skill or topic you want to learn. Be specific so the guidance is more useful. For example, instead of saying you want to learn science, say you want to learn basic biology, algebra, public speaking, or video editing. The clearer you are, the better the response will match your level and your goals. Next, ask ChatGPT to create a beginner-friendly study roadmap. This is important because a roadmap gives you structure. Rather than jumping randomly between ideas, you'll get a learning path that shows what to study first, what to study next, and how the pieces connect. This makes the topic feel more manageable and helps you stay consistent. After that, ask it to explain the most important concepts first. When you're starting out, the key is to focus on the foundations. Learning the core ideas early makes everything else easier to understand later. It also prevents you from wasting time on advanced details before you're ready. Once you have the basics, request examples, practice exercises, and quizzes. This step helps you move from passive reading to active learning. Examples show you what a concept looks like in real use, exercises help you apply it yourself, and quizzes give you a quick way to check whether you actually understand what you studied. If anything feels confusing, ask ChatGPT to explain the difficult parts in simpler words. This is one of the most useful ways to learn because sometimes you don't need a different answer. You just need a clearer explanation. You can even ask for shorter definitions, easier language, or a slower breakdown of the same idea. Then use active recall by asking ChatGPT to test you. Instead of just rereading notes, have it ask you questions from memory. This strengthens what you know and shows you where your weak spots are. As you practice, review your mistakes and ask ChatGPT how to improve. Mistakes are not a problem. They're one of the fastest ways to see what needs more attention. Finally, follow the plan daily until you understand the topic. Even a short daily session can lead to real progress when you stay consistent and keep building one step at a time.